Chanting the Dhanvantari mantra from the Bhagavad Purana daily can heal the body. Who is Lord Dhanvantari? Lord Dhanvantari, also known as the divine physician, is believed to be the origin of Ayurveda. It is said that he was the first healer in history, and was a divine figure with 4 hands, one holding the pot of Amrit, one holding a conch, one holding a chakra, and the other holding either a leech or, in some interpretations, a herb. Lord Dhanvantari is thus the god of health, balance, and the divine source of all healing energy. Lord Dhanvantari in Sumra Manthan. Yugas ago, when the Devas and Asuras conflicted, they had to join hands to churn the ocean, the Samudra Manthan, and extract the pot of Amrit, the healing potion. And so as they used Mount Manda as the churning rod, and Vasuki as the rope, they churned, and received several items from the ocean. And in the end, came forward Lord Dhanvantari, holding the pot of Amrit in his hands. It is said that he appeared holding a golden pot of Amrit in his hands, and was glowing with divine energy. The Dhanvantari mantra. People pray to Lord Dhanvantari and ask for good health, healing, removal of disease and ailments, and the likes. And one of the most famous mantra of Lord Dhanvantari is, Om Namo Bhagavate Mahasudarshanaya Vasudevaya Dhanvantariye Amritkulash Hastaya Sarv Bhayavinashaya Sarv Rognivaranaya Namah. Which translates to, I bow to the divine one who wields a Sudarshan, chakra, in his hand, is the beloved of Lord Vishnu, and he is Lord Dhanvantari. He holds the pot of immortality in his hand, Amrit Kalas, and removes all types of fears and diseases, Rog Nirvan. We pray to Lord Dhanvantari. The power of mantra jap. Mantra jap, or chanting, is a powerful tool with which people do not just please the gods, but also raise the vibrations and energy around them, helping them heal in some or the other way. For some people and devotees, merely chanting a mantra is positive and powerful enough, giving them a kind of happiness, and to some others, the results they see after regular chanting are truly joyous. When you chant a mantra with full faith and attention, you're not just repeating words, but aligning your thoughts, your energy, and your life form, your breath, with the divine. How will the Dhanvantari mantra help? For a believer and a devotee, the Dhanvantari mantra will help them recover from illness or injury and will help them invoke the healing energy of Lord Dhanvantari. As the mantra talks about Lord Dhanvantari's form, holding the Amrit pot, and his qualities, by mentioning that he removes fear and disease, it gives a sense of assurance to people. Devotees also say and believe that chanting this mantra brings a deep sense of calm and courage, and removes the fear of serious problems. How to chant it? The Dhanvantari mantra can be chanted in many different ways, be it with a mala, rosary, in hand or with the help of an online audio. If you wish to chant it, just wake up early, preferably in the Brahma Muhurat, cleanse yourself, and sit down in a comfortable position. If you are chanting it for the first time, play a recording of the mantra in the background so that you don't slip up the words or the pronunciation. Chant the mantra 108 times for best results.